District Veterinary Office, Thoubal, in association with Youth Development Association, 10th today kicked off an animal health camp at the 10th Veterinary Dispensary premises. According to our Thoubal correspondent, the free animal health camp will continue till September 30 in Thoubal and Kaching districts. National Mental Health Program, State Health Society, NHM Manipur, Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch, and Indian Medical Association, Manipur jointly observed the 18th World Suicide Prevention Day today at the Hall of Indian Medical Association at Lamjingbatomtv in Imphal. The program was held on the theme Working Together to Prevent Suicide. There seems to be no immediate end to the pandemic in sight. And as months go by, the mental health of people has been affected too. For starters, for a vast majority of people, this has been a novel experience. Add to that the fear of losing jobs, the failing economy, the crumbling healthcare sector, and the burnout being experienced because of long hours at work. All of these factors have culminated to put immense pressure on the mental well-being of people. As per a recent survey on mental health has found that as many as 43% of Indians are currently plagued with depression. Manipur Students Association Delhi Masad said that the association has been closely assessing the missing report of Abung Mahatab hailing from Lilong Kairak. Masad has learned from sources that Abung is currently in the custody of Sarai Khwaja Faridabad Sector 30 Crime Branch, Haryana, according to Association President Chinkai Saikom. He also informed that Abung has been arrested by the police under Arms Act. The police claimed that Abung possessed a fake ID card of NIA. Manipur has so far registered 7,362 COVID-19 cases. The total number of active cases in the state now stands at 1,774, while 5,548 have been recovered. The coronavirus recovery rate in Manipur has decreased to 75.36%, according to the state COVID-19 Command Control Room. A 39-year-old man from Thoubal died of the disease at Jennings yesterday, taking the death toll to 40. With 89,706 COVID-19 infections being reported yesterday, India's coronavirus tally went past 43 lakh, while 33,98,844 people have recuperated from the disease so far, pushing the national recovery rate to 77.77%. According to data shared by the Union Health Ministry, the global death toll from the coronavirus pandemic has topped 9 lakh since the respiratory disease first appeared in China last year. The country with the most coronavirus death is the United States, with over 1,90,000 fatalities, followed by Brazil. Meanwhile, Serum Institute of India said that the hold in Oxford vaccine trials won't have impact on Indian trials. Apunba Irepaki Mahiroi Sinpang Lup, AIMS Education and Academic Affairs Secretary Suraj Thokchom today informed that the student body has conducted a survey on the hand sanitizer, one of the most essential items in the fight against COVID-19. Suraj said that during the survey, it was found out that the hand sanitizers had basic components like ethyl alcohol, ethanol, but alcohol content was only 45 to 55%, which should be 70 to 80%. Under the guidance of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, Amuko Kaching District United Clubs Organization held a tree plantation program at Kaching Kunau today. Tree saplings were planted in and around the area. Amuko President P.H. Nando, Brand Ambassador of Chief Minister's Green Mission, Manipur, Ilangbang Valentina, and volunteers of Kaching Kunau Municipality Club attended the program. Assam's overall tally of COVID-19 has increased to 1,33,066 yesterday. At the same time, 2,265 patients were discharged from hospitals or COVID care centers. As per a media report, with the release of 2,265 more patients, the total number of recovered patients increased to 1,03,504 so far. Assam currently has 29,163 active COVID-19 patients. The deadly disease has claimed the lives of 396 people in Assam. Mizoram has reported 141 new COVID-19 cases, taking the state's tally to 1,333. The news has been confirmed by the Mizoram Information and Public Relations Department on its Twitter handle. The total positive patients registered in Mizoram so far include 1,108 males and 225 females. So far, a total of 750 patients have recovered from the disease in the state. Mizoram currently has 583 active patients, while 2 positive cases migrated from the state. The state is yet to report any COVID-19 death.